You have the floor, sir.
Sir,
And before you start, I would like to express my sincerest condolences to your family for the loss of your loved ones. Nangyayari doon sa enkwentro. Walang masaya na namatayan kayo. Lahat ay malungkot dahil buhay ng tao ay walang kapalit.
salamat po, sir.
Please, continue. Yeah, you have the floor.
Salamat po, sir. Salamat. Sir, pwede po abogado na lang po namin ang magsasalita.
Ganito yung rules ng committee, no? We cannot entertain your lawyer to speak before this committee. Ang role ng lawyer dito is just to give you advice. Kayo mga invited na mga resource person, kayo talaga pakikinggan namin. Sige lang, hingi ka lang ng advice sa lawyer mo and just heed to his advice kung anong advice niya. Sabihin mo lang yung gusto mong sabihin.
If I may be recognized, Your Honor.
You want to say something in behalf of the family?
Actually, before coming here, they all agreed that if we may be allowed, Your Honor, I will speak for all of them. We prepared a single statement, Your Honor, for all four.
Anyway, kung merong single statement
Yes, Your
na
Honor.
para sa lahat,
Yes, Your
pwede bang siya na lang magbasa? Para hindi natin ma-violate yung rules. Siya na lang magbasa yung statement na yan.
Sir, pwede po,
Ah,
kasi po kung masyado po mahaba, eh, baka magkabalok-balok ang mga information.
maintindihan namin yan. Maintindihan namin yan. Huwag kang
Ang amin
mag-alala.
lang naman po dito, sir,
Ah.
is yung regarding po dun sa complaint ni Mayor Bruce Matabalaw against po sa allegation ko po dun sa ating mga kapulisan is yun po ay bugso po ng damdamin ng aming pamilya. Kasi po kami po yung namatayan dito. Bakit kami po yung nagiging masama po dito sa mata po ng authority. So regarding po naman po dun sa nangyari sa RH12, nakabinbin naman po sa korte yung kaso. So ang amin po, pinapabayan na lang po namin sa ating korte.
Yes, walang problema doon. In fact, gusto ko lang ipaalam sa inyo
Yes po.
na yung pending case, hindi yan bar for the conduct of this Senate inquiry in aid of legislation. May Supreme Court ruling yan. So, wala tayong problema dyan. Ang atin lang dito is in aid of legislation moving forward para hindi na maulit kung anong dapat i-correct dyan sa Cotabato City as far as public order is concerned.
Apo.
Kaya nga, do you stand by your statement? Yung sinabi mo, yung mga allegation mo. Marami kang inaalis eh.
Yes,
Number one,
yes.
ganito.
Opo.
Simula sa ngayong araw, ibabaybas ang 3 brothers, meaning 3 kayong magkapatid,
Opo.
pareho kayong barangay kapitan.
Opo.
Ang 3 brothers, ilalans ang 3 search warrants against Cap Bimbo. Options of the police according to him. Tataniman ako drugs at gumagawa ng solusyon ay ang authority para mapatay ako.
Recording
Alam
in
mo,
progress.
these are very serious allegations. Ha?
Opo, opo.
You are imputing to the police.
Opo.
So, kung totoo ito sinasabi mo, or as you said, bugso ng damdamin mo
Opo,
yun,
sir.
nagalit kayo dahil
Opo.
namatayan kayo.
Opo.
Can you please, for the record, clarify to this committee kung itong lahat ng pinagsasabi mo ay paninindigan mo or binabawi mo or what? Anong status ngayon dito ng pinagsasabi mo? Because this is the meat of our investigation. Dahil kung sabihin mong totoo ito, hindi ako hinto sa kakaimbestigahan ng mga pulis.
Yes, sir.
Dahil ayaw ko talaga na ang pulis may involved sa kalukuhan.
Opo.
Pero kung sabihin mo na nagalit ka lang or what, at binabawi mo din, for the record, tell this committee para magawa natin ng kaukulang aksyon.
Opo, sir.
Sige nga, anong masasabi mo dito?
Yung nasabi ko po is dala lang po yun ng aming sama ng loob, sir. Sa dami po ng naririnig namin na balibalita lang So hindi ko po napigilan yung sarili ko. Hindi ko po napigilan yung sarili ko maglabas ng aking hinanaing po, sir.
You have your lawyer, ha? You can ask your lawyer for advice, legal advice sa mga sinasabi mo dito. So, ibig mong sabihin, binabawi mo yung sinabi mo doon sa presko na yon?
Parang ganun na po.
Hindi yung parang gano'n na. You must be,
Opo.
klaruhin mo yung sinasabi
Opo,
mo.
sir. Opo, sir.
For the record, nire-record tayo dito.
Opo, sir.
So, hindi totoo yung sinasabi
Hindi
mo
po,
na
sir.
ang polis ay tataniman ka ng droga.
Opo, sir.
Hindi totoo yung sinasabi mo na yung polis ay inuutosan ng nakakataas na i-raid kayo para mapatay kayo. Hindi yung totoo.
Opo, sir. Hindi po.
Tapos yung sinasabi mo na yung results ng forensic examination, forensic investigation ay hindi totoo.
Ibang usapan na po yung regarding po sa parapin test po.
So, ang parapin test, hindi mo win-withdraw.
Hindi po yung parapin test po. Yung sa parapin test po, is nagugulat po kami. Kasi nandun kami sa shooting incident. Kitang-kita namin si Mamalapat nandun sa shooting incident at nakatutok yung baril nila sa amin kasama si Boyong. Bakit naging negative po sila sa parapin test? Dalawang mata namin. Hindi lang po ako, si Cap Idris, si Cap Liling, si Cap Melissa, pati yung mga pamilya namin na nandun, pati yung wounded.
Hindi.
Na witness namin, nakita nila na si Mamalapat po, si Boyong is nandun at nakatutok yung kanilang baril. Kitang-kita po yung kanilang pagbaril sa amin po.
Okay, ikot kita dyan.
Opo.
Nakatutok ang baril.
Opo.
Nakita mo.
Opo.
Pero hindi mo nakita na pumutok. Klaro
Si
natin,
Boyong,
pumutok
sir,
o hindi?
nakita ko yung pagputok nila.
Boyong, nakita mo, pumutok si Boyong.
Pati yung si Mamalapat po, sir.
Pumutok rin si Mamalapat.
Opo, sir.
Kung pumutok si Mamalapat, baka ibang baril ang ginamit.
Hindi ko alam. Basta, ang nakikita ko, naimimim yung dala niya, Berita, kasi may ilaw pa, sir, yung time na pagbabarilin nila kami. Nung mabilis na yung putok nila, burst na, sir, pinatay po nila yung ilaw.
Okay, so klaruhin natin.
Opo.
All other allegations na sinabi mo doon sa press-con, binabawi mo.
Opo, sir.
Dala lang yung nabukso ng
Opo.
damdamin, except
Dun sa-
yung akusasyon mo tungkol dito sa
Parapin-
results ng crime lab investigation, yung
Opo, sir.
parapin test.
Opo, sir.
Okay, sige. Balikan kita. Crime lab, can you explain?
Sir, good morning again. The result of the paraffin tests are all negative for the persons, 12 persons. Sir, even though if the person fired a gun, it will give a negative result because of several factors. Number one, for example, if you wear a gloves, of course the gunpowder residue will not embed the gunpowder nitrates on your hand. So that's why it will give you a negative result. Number two, the wind velocity. If the wind is strong enough that it will not embed to your hand, of course, the paraffin gas will give negative result. Second, the humidity. And third, the barrel of the gun. It is much more farther from your hand. The gunpowder residue will not land to your dorsal portion of your hand. And if you fire a gun to a horizontal against vertical, most probably the vertical will give you a positive, while the horizontal will give you a negative result. That are those factors, Your Honor.
Thank you for that explanation. Nakuha mo, Barangay Kapitan? Sabi ng crime lab, I'll rephrase ang sinasabi ng crime lab, yung sinasabi nila na negative for paraffin test, hindi yan ibig sabihin na hindi siya pumutok ng baril. Dahil may mga factors na pwede mangyari. Hindi mo pa sinabi yung isang factor na matanggal yan kapag mayroon kang ihugas na, ihugas na tanggal sa kamay mo. After ka pumutok, maghugas ka ng suka, ano ba yung mga style na yan? Sige nga.
Your Honor, I will negate that claim. It is because suka is an acetic acid
Okay.
which is insoluble doon sa hindi niya madidissolve ang gunpowder residue.
Hindi ma-dissolve.
Yes, Your Honor.
Pero matanggal. Pwede matanggal kung...
As a chemist, Your Honor, because I am a chemist by profession,
Okay.
and the nitrates will not dissolve the acetic acid will not dissolve
Thank you.
gunpowder nitrates.
Thank you for that explanation.
Mr. Chair?
Yes, go ahead.
Sige, klaruhin lang natin ulit, no? Sa PNP, and everybody can, again, for the record, talagang halos lahat ng suspect that were apprehended, nag-negative talaga. Wala ni isa. Pati doon sa ballistics, walang nag-positive, walang nag-match. Parang ang hirap pa, Mr. Chair, kasi kung, if they were apprehended on site, on that situation, so parang saan ang galing yung ginamit na baril at sino yung mga pumutok? Claim na ito ng kapitan, nakita ito si Master Sergeant na nandun din po. Can you explain?
Thank you, Senator JB. Can you
Your
respond?
permission, Your Honor.
Yeah,
Ballistic examination is different from paraffin test, Your Honor.
Yeah, we know that.
The paraffin test-
Makakasabi nyo na
but
kasi
sir-
negative lahat eh. Wala
Yes.
rin nag-match. So,
Yes, sir.
we just want for the record, because of the incident, na lahat ng nahuli nyo, lahat negative sa paraffin, pati sa ballistic, wala nag-match. So, parang-
Your Honor, the firearms which we have examined did not match to those fired cartridges that were recovered at the crime scene. It means hindi po nagamit yung mga baril doon.
ibig sabihin, yung mga nagamit po doon sa mga lapas lang, ibang baril ang nagamit at iba rin po yung mga pumutok. Dahil yung mga suspect, negative lahat. Yung mga baril, wala hong nag-match doon sa inyong ballistics.
Probably, Your Honor.
Well, narinig yung explanation ng PNP, di ba?
Opo, sir.
It doesn't mean na negative siya sa powder burns ay hindi siya pumutok ng baril. Maraming factors
Opo.
na sinasabi niya.
Opo.
So, for the record, Crime Lab, did anybody influence you to make the results negative? For the record.
Thank you for the question, Your Honor.
Yeah.
Nobody will dictate the result of our examination, Your Honor. Particularly, and anyone cannot dictate us because we are a man of science.
Thank you for that.
Recording in progress.
Thank you for that answer. Ako, para sa lahat. Para sa lahat ito, ha. I've been the chief PNP. Lahat sigurong mga decision, prangkahan lang tayo dito. Including RIAS, pwede ko makashare na aking sentimento at pwede akong pakinggan ng RIAS pagdating sa decision making nila kung sino i-dismiss o hindi. Pwede ko ma-influence yung si IDJ. Sabihan ko na si IDJ, tingnan nyo kung paano yan, alam na nyo. Ha? Pwede. Pero pagdating sa crime lab, ako, honest, swear to God, swear to Allah, sasabihan ka talaga ng crime lab na, sir, that is against our professional conduct. Hindi talaga yan pwedeng baguhin. At kami naman, nakakataas sa kanila sa crime lab, never din kami mag-attempt talaga kausapin silang baguhin yung kanilang results ng kanilang ginagawang investigasyon dahil kung ikakasira yan ng crime lab, ikakasira yan na buong PNP. Di ba? So nobody talaga kahit na kapatid ko magpa-drug test dyan, tapos positive, sa halimbawa, positive kapatid ko. Sabihan ka ng crime lab, sir, wala kami magawa dyan. Hindi ko talaga pwedeng gawing negative ito. Sa totoo lang ha, that's my honest declaration to everyone listening here. Dahil nga, kung meron mang the last institution ng PNP na pwedeng babalasubasin ng PNP leadership is the crime lab. That I can tell you straight in the eye. Never na never mong madidilute ang result ng crime lab. Aside from the professionalism of the people in the crime lab, science-based talaga yan sila. Hindi yan po pwedeng influence-based, kundi science-based talaga yan kanilang findings. So, kung magduda kayo, normal yan. Na magduda kayo, lalo na ikaw, nakita mo talaga, napuputok siya. Pero sabi nga ng crime lab, it doesn't mean na pag negative siya, hindi rin siya puputok. At alam ko, mayroong mga Supreme Court ruling dyan. Hindi ko na lang basahin dito. Pero alam ko may mga Supreme Court ruling dyan. So, as far as your discontentment, dissatisfaction with the results of crime lab, with that explanation coming from crime lab, ano ngayon masasabi mo? Nagdududa ka pa rin sa crime lab?
Excuse po,
Yeah,
sir.
go ahead.
Opo. Sir, meron po kaming isang witness po na nag-testify na rin po sa korte, nakasama po doon sa na-detain. Pero ibang kaso po siya, pero kasama na-detain doon. Nakita nila po bago parapin test, si Mamalapat, sila Boyong, pati yung kasama yung 12, naghugas muna sila. At nandun na rin sa korte yung kanyang testimony, sir. So, kaya nagdududat po talaga kami bakit po sila nag-negative.
Okay nga. Wala na tayong problema dyan. Nasa korte na yan. Nakapile na kayo, di ba? Pero explanation nga ng crime lab, kahit na maghugas ka ng suka, hindi madidissolve yung nitrate na nakabaon dyan sa mga skin mo. Much more kung tubig lang ang hinugas, tubig at sabon. Hindi talaga matanggal yan. Kaya nga, anyway, you fight that in the court of law, yung allegation ninyo. Pero science-based itong sinasabi ng forensic expert natin na ganun talaga. Hindi talaga matanggal daw yung kahit na maghugas ka. Am I correct?
Yes, Your Honor, that is correct, Your Honor.
Maghugas ka ng tubig at saka sabon, hindi pa rin matanggal yung nitrate dyan sa katawan mo?
Actually, Your Honor, when you use detergent or soap, the possibility na mag-positive ka dahil may oxidizers po yon.
Okay.
Pero kung wala, Your Honor, yung lang, suka, hindi, sir. Hindi
Mga-
talaga,
mga meat
sir.
na lang yun ng mga lumang pulis. Yung
Yes, Your
suka
Honor.
na yan,
Yes,
mga
Your
meat
Honor.
na lang yan. So,
Sir,
yes, go ahead.
dagdag ko lang doon po sa testimony ng aming witness, sir. Naghugas po sila ng sabon at saka alcohol po.
Alcohol.
Bago sila nagparapin test.
Alcohol.
Opo.
It will not change kung talagang diyan powder yun, sir. At saka oxidizers man.
It will not change daw. Please, mga kwan ito, chemical engineer ito, bago nagiging forensic expert. Kinuha yan ng PNP dahil sa kanilang expertise. So, at saka professional yan sila.
Cor-
Plus yung aking explanation kanina, na nobody talaga makaka-impluensya dyan sa kung nila ginagawang examination.
Your Honor, I'm a forensic chemist, Your Honor. I'm not an engineer.
Hindi pala. Hindi ka pala chemical engineer, forensic chemist.
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, chemist, Your Honor.
Thank you for that correction. So, ulitin ko. Aside doon sa pagdududa nyo sa forensics, yung particularly paraffin test, all other allegation na sinabi nyo doon sa press-con mo is binabawi mo.
Opo, sir. Dala lang po ng bugso ng damdamin po ng pamilya namin. Especially
Okay.
po sa kay Kap Idris po.
So thank you for that. Thank you for that. Salamat. So kaya tayo nag-imbestiga dito dahil sa allegation mo. Ngayon na binabawi mo yung allegation mo, there is nothing more to investigate. It follows that there is nothing more to investigate. Binabawi mo yung allegation mo. So, Akin naman sa inyo sa PNP, baka nagtampo kayo dito sa kanila, galit kayo sa kanila dahil inaakusa kayo, please stay professional as you are. Dapat nasa gitna lang kayo, neutral kayo palagi, whatever local politics happening in your area, you have to enforce the law without fear or favor. Di ba? Yan man talaga ang ating trabaho sa pulis. So siguruhin ninyo na professional kayo palagi. Kumilik. Can we hear from Kumilik?
Thank you, Your Honors. Good morning, Mr. Chair, Your Honors. Sa lahat, good morning, Mayang Buntag. As far as COMELEC is concerned, with this, we are happy for the leadership of this committee for inviting us, COMELEC, in this investigation. And whatever will be the output or observations or issues and concerns that will be discussed today, we will look into our rules and regulations, our guidelines, and our resolutions as far as the conduct of elections is concerned, as well as gun ban matters is concerned, Your Honor. And for the record, Your Honors, as far as Cotabato City is concerned, we were able to train 500 PNP personnel just to ensure that during election day, walang makakaberya, walang teachers or walang presinto na hindi magpa-function because some public school teachers might withdraw. And with that 500 PNP personnel, Your Honors, we were able to actually deploy 272 PNP personnel.
Kaya nga, I would like to congratulate you. You were on top of the situation during the BSKA, no? Barangay SK elections. And with that, ang result nga is one election-related incident lang sa Cotabato City. I would like to congratulate you. And also the mayor.
Thank you for
You're
that,
the mayor.
Your Honor.
You're the chairman of the Peace and Order Council, and you're the local chief executive of Cotabato City. I would like to congratulate you for only one crime election-related incident. So congratulations. And also the PNP. Colonel Manalang, City Director, and the RD. Isa lang pala. So, congratulations everyone for bihira yan. Cotabato City, isa lang. Take a look at Lanao Sur. Ilan ang Lanao Sur? 31. Cotabato City, 1. So, dahil yan sa effort ninyo, COMELEC, LGU, PNP, kaya isa lang. So, I would like to, you please continue, Attorney Erlas.
So with that, Your Honor, we will look into and revisit if there is a need for us to enhance more collaboration, more cooperation between our deputized agencies in the government, particularly the PNP, AFP, and other law enforcement agencies, just to make sure that any political exercises that will be conducted magiging matiwasay and peaceful and orderly, Your Honors.
Thank you.
That will be Your Honor.
Thank you,
All
Attorney.
Your Honor. Thank you.
Itong crime of illegal possession of firearms, kapag sabay siya pinail sa krimen na murder, ang illegal possession of firearms subsume doon sa murder dahil ginawa na lang itong aggravating circumstance with the use of firearms, di ba? Aggravating circumstance sa murder. Ngayon,
Correct, Your Honor.
yung murder at saka COMELEC gun ban violation, ano mangyari dyan? Separate or masasubsume din?
Separate yun, Your Honors.
Separate.
Yes, Your Honor.
So may murder na,
Mayroon
may
gun ban
violation of gun ban pa rin.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Thank
Your
you.
Honors,
Yes.
isa lang ang i-clarify ko dito, Your Honors, as far as the presentation is concerned, mayroong 5.56 na na-confiscate and hindi lang na-discuss or na-elaborate further kung kanino ito. Tsaka mayroon bang exemption ito? And itong isang Beretta 9mm, kung mayroon ba itong exemption, kung saan ito nakuha, kung sa bahay ba ito nakuha or sa labas, kasi pag sa labas yan, may problema tayo. Especially if hindi ito owned by the government and possessed by the PNP personnel. Kasi pag PNP personnel, tapos owned by the government, issued by the government, there is that presumption na may exemption ito. Yun lang po. Thank you, Your Honors.
Ano, PNP, may exemption ba yung mga baril na yun? wala ngang loose firearm nga. Paano may exempt kung loose firearm, di ba?
Your Honor, sir, for the caliber 9mm pistol issued to Master
Recording in
Sergeant
progress.
Pamalapat, sir, the PNP as a deputized agency, so we have always this certificate of authority coming from the COMELEC for all issued firearm. But for the M16 rifle, sir, based on the presentation, he has his own LTAP and own firearms license, sir.
Nakuha sa loob ng bahay o
Sa
sa
loob,
labas?
sir, ng bahay, sir. It
Sa
was
loob ng
found
bahay?
inside the house, yes, sir.
Okay.
But under the rules, sir, the COMELEC Resolution 10918, sir, even though firearms with licensed firearms or LTAP, it is invalid if these firearms are brought outside the
Outside,
residence.
yeah.
Yes, sir.
Sa loob ba kaya ng bahay?
Sa loob, sir, nakuha, sir. Yes, sir.
Yung 9mm mo, mamalapat, issue ba yun? Issue ng
Opo, sir. Opo, sir.
PNP firearm yun?
Opo.
Thank you.